Engineering materials stone, a rock forming minerals which is silicate of aluminum with potassium and occurs in thin transparent lamina is mica. Smith test is performed to find out the presence of soluble matter in a sample of stone. Hardness of stone, Darcy testing machine is used to determine. Impact test to determine toughness of stone. Marble, the metamorphic limestone become the 40 mm into 40 mm into 40 mm size of cube to determine of compressive strength of stone. In stone arches, the stones are placed with their natural bed radial. The stones should be placed in walls with the direction of their natural beds horizontal. Attrition test is done to find out the rate of wear of stone which are used in road construction. Basalt is volcanic type of rock. Chemically, marble is known as calcareous rock. Crushing strength of basalt 150 to 185 Newton per mm square. Crushing strength of good building stone should be more than 1000 kg per centimeter square. Dolomite contains calcium, magnesium, carbon and oxygen. Dolerite is an example of hyperbasin. Due to the presence of quarry sap, the freshly quarried stone can be dressed easily at the quarry itself. Example of monomineral rock, quartz and gypsum. Example of polymineral rocks, basalt and granite. For a good building stone, its specific gravity should be greater than 2.7. Geologically, marble is known as metamorphic rock. Paragenesis is obtained from sedimentary rock. Granite and quartz are examples of siliceous type of rock based upon their chemical content. Gunpowder contains charcoal, saltpeter, and sulfur. Rock contains only one rock forming minerals. It is known as monomineralic. In calcareous rocks, the major predominant is calcium carbonate. Jumper is a tool used for coring of stone. Kaolin is chemically classified as argillaceous rock. Minute crack in stone containing calcite which form hard veins are known as shakes. Sandstone has granular texture. Sedimentary rocks are example of stratified rock. Light is formed by metamorphic action on scale. Specific gravity of marble is 2.72. Stone having spotted appearance due to the presence of chalky substance are motile. The common sand is variety of quartz. The arrangement of minerals forming a rock is known as its texture or structure. Stone used to ornamental works must be soft. Bearing capacity of granite is generally 30 to 35 kg per centimeter square. The blasting powder and dynamite are commonly used as explosive. The building stone used for bridge, pier, and columns is granite. The compact translucent mass of quartz is called hornstone. Compound of alumina and silica in a colloidal state which is known as kaolin. The basalt constant of all type of clays. Compressive strength of limestone is 540 kg per centimeter square. Compressive strength of marble is 710 kg per centimeter square. Compressive strength of basalt trap is 1500 to 1850 kg per centimeter square. Compressive strength of sandstone is 640 kg per centimeter square. Compressive strength of granite is 750 to 1270 kg per centimeter square. Crystalline form of silica is quartz. The density of gypsum 2300 kg per meter cube. The density of marble 200 2650 kg per meter cube. The foliated structure is very common in case of metamorphic rock. The fractured surface of stone generally indicate texture. The gases formed during the blasting follow the line of path which offers least resistance to go out. The line is known as line of least resistance (LLR). The least distance between the center of charge and the exposed surface of the rock is line of least resistance (LLR). The hardest rock diamond, the softest rock talc. The metamorphic changes at great depth brought about by uniform pressure and heat is known as plutonic metamorphism. The metamorphism takes place on the surface of the earth only by direct pressure is called cataclysmic metamorphism. The percentage of magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate in dolomite are 46 and 54. The period sufficient for proper seasoning of a stone is 6 to 12 months. The plane of stratification that occurs in sedimentary rock is natural bed. The predominant constant which is responsible for strength in granite is quartz. The process of change in character of rock due to great heat and pressure is known as metamorphism. The process of separating different sized crushed rock material is known as screening.